As a full-time job, I run and manage tours and conferences. Yesterday, I arrived in Austin, Texas for the Beer Now conference. Today was the first day of our pre-conference excursion, so I woke up, had breakfast, jumped on a few meetings, and then met with our bloggers and media. This excursion was a trip to San Marcos, Texas. We checked into the hotel and then headed to 4 breweries. The weather was beautiful, each of them were really cool. We got to tour all the facilities and taste some beers. My job is to make sure everything is running smoothly, and I also am the marketing manager, so that involves a lot of pictures and videos. Unfortunately, I'm not drinking right now due to health reasons, but that's okay. I had water all day. There was one exception though, but we'll get to that. It was really cool to visit all the breweries and have the private VIP experience. We even got to have a praline beer float straight from the tap. This was my one exception to drinking beer, and it was delicious. After we had dinner, we loaded back on the bus for the hotel. Overall, a very successful and fun day of our pre-conference excursion.